Hi folks, you're welcome back to the Mastering Binance Futures Trading course. If you are joining us for the first time, this is a complete course. The course is in the playlist displayed right on your screen right now. So go ahead and watch everything if you are just joining us to understand how the futures markets operate. And in this particular video, I'm going to take a live trade after a brief technical analysis to show you how a live trades operate. I've actually explained everything about the futures market for you. I've explained what are margins, your leverages, and how to send in money to your futures account. So basically in this video, just like I told you, I'll just take a live trade with my money to see the effect of that in the live trade. So coming back to this place, these are the topics we've discussed in this particular course. You can see it, Mastering Binance Futures Trading course. If you have not watched it, go ahead and do that, and make sure you subscribe to have all the details. This is just the beginners basics. I will continue making video on how you can make a lot of money from the futures market, but you have to bear in mind as you study this that the futures market involves a lot of risks. It's not suitable for all kinds of investors. If you're not comfortable with trading the futures market, I would recommend you just stay with your trading in the spot wallet. So coming back to our charts, if I take it back to the weeklies, I want to see what is the overall trend from weeklies. We have a downtrend for several weeks. From here we retraced back, we came back, and then we retraced. We probably are heading down to this level. I don't know, this is what I'm just looking at from a technical perspective, and that means the price of Ethereum should go down to this level. So basically what I want to do in this market is to short it or to sell it in other terms. So right here I will go down to the daily time frame to see what I will have. I want to just break down the data into smaller chunks so that I will not have a lot of information that I don't need. So right here, if I'm trading price pattern, this is basically a head and shoulder pattern. If you look at this, the overall movement is a head and shoulder. So I'm expecting market to come down to this level. The head and shoulder pattern is something like this. This is your head, okay? But this is just a basic analysis. I will show you more if I continue making videos on the futures markets. So don't worry, just subscribe. I will show you how to do technical analysis like a professional. And then if I bring in my volume indicator, just from the last video I shared with you, let me say volume so that you just have an idea of what I'm doing right here. So this is actually my chart that I'm looking at. If I remove every drawings, this is actually my chart. So I'm expecting price to break this level. If for any reason we break this level, that means the next point of stoppage is this level. Then we may probably come below this level to pick liquidity, and then we have something like this and a bit of retracement and maybe head down again. So what I want to do is to sell in this market. I don't want to buy, I want to just sell. I will further go down to 1 hour and then look at what is happening in the 1 hour time frame. Then I've seen that the market has pushed down to this level. At this level I don't want to sell, even though I will just go ahead and do that to show you the effect on my account. I will just go ahead and sell, but I needed something like a retracement to come in and give me a discount, and then I take it down again. So the movement I want, if I pick my Fibonacci tool, if I click on this and then scroll down to Fibonacci retracement, I will just place it right here and then drag it down to this level. If I have a proper retracement in this market, that means I should have a market that will bring me discount to this level, 50% retracement, or probably 61.8. So at this level I want to sell and continue going down with the market. This is just a basic analysis for you to watch. So be patient with the market, don't rush the market, just watch everything happening, be patient with it. At the right time you have a retracement coming in, and then you have struggles down there. At the moment I see the volume increase in the downside, I will go ahead and sell and have my market go down to that level. So this is actually how to take your trades on a basic analysis. This is just pure price action that I'm doing to you. I will show you how to use some few indicators that will give you some chunk of money. But if you want to know real analysis, go ahead and subscribe. I will show you technical analysis from a price action standpoint. All right, let's say I want to take this trade and I want to sell in this particular market at this price, not limit order, not market order, and then I have my isolated margin selected, and then I have leverage 5x. I've explained the difference between cross and isolated margin in this same playlist. Go ahead and watch the video to understand the difference between this. And then I have available balance of this amount of money. I want to just go ahead and select what I want to do. I want to short this market. That means I want to sell in this market. So taking it up right here, I'll just go ahead and select the amount of money I want to put into this trade. I basically have like 273 USDT to put into this trade right now to be active in this market. So what I would do right here is to go ahead and click on sell or short. So before then, I will just go ahead and check where I want to put my take profit and stop loss. If I click on this and keep it right here, I have 1520. That's where I want my stop loss to be. And then if I take it down, let me go to 4-hour time frame so that I will have a better view of this. If I take it down below this level, I have 14, that's 1400. That's where I want my take profit. So if I click on take profit, I will say 1400, then my stop loss is at 1520. So at this level, I want to be out of the market. So the next thing to do is to click on sell. All I will do is to click on sell, then click on sell. They said order submitted right here, market order field. So if you come right here, you can actually see that this is what I'm having in the market right here. I'm just minus 4 something USDT in the market, and then this is the entry price, this is my mark price, liquidation price. If ETH reaches like 1553, I will lose all the money I have selected to put in this particular trade. So basically you can check all your trade information right here to know what is happening. I'm currently in positive, right? I have like 15 cents. Then you have everything, your take profit and stop loss. So this is actually how to watch the market play out, and then just be noticing it to be making your money. And then just like you can make money, you can also lose money in this trade. So go ahead and try every single thing in this market, and then in the subsequent videos, since by now we have understood how the market operates for the beginner level, I will show you how to do more and more with this particular market. So right now you can see that I'm in a profit of almost $1. So if I want to close this trade, you can actually see where you see market right up here. You can see close at market price. So all you have to do is to click on close at market price, and then you will be out of the market buy order field. That is, you are no longer in the trade. You have closed your position, you have made your profit. So guys, this is basically how to take trades and then make money with the live trades. Then stay tuned with all the videos I'll be sharing with you. You will have more and more information that will help you in live analysis to take trades like a professional. So thank you for watching.